All right, classic pickup time here. 1955 Chevrolet 3200, just in it, unique, especially in classics. Now, of course, that 3200 designation would be the long box version. So it is a half-ton long box. In this particular case, you can see the step side. Be on a 123-inch wheelbase, the 3200s. Underneath the hood, era correct inline 6-cylinder. That'd be a 235 cubic inch inline 6, paired with a manual transmission, shifter on the column. Now, cool part about this truck is it's still in just the patina look and actually pretty darn solid. I'm going to point out some, areas where there's some rust and what have you, but look at the patina and how this truck is aged. Definitely does not look like it was in the Midwest its entire life, or look like the trucks that we see that are this age that have been around Minnesota. Of course, the 55 classic grill. This would be a 12-volt system. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this truck, check out the engine bay, check out the interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pictures. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And a painted steel wheel with wheel cover, radial tires. This truck, you could drive it in your local cruise-ins, take it to any of your shows. I mean, it's really going to stand out. It's got just a great patina look to it. Now, as you can see, you get down in these lower areas, yeah, there's a little bit of rust, but overall, for how you see these trucks typically come in, boy, not much at all. Little in the door, little in the cab corners, but just look at how little that is. I just keep driving this truck just the way it is. Kind of an aged wood bedside on that, and of course that can come out to pull it right out of the stake pockets, but kind of a neat classic look to it. Of course, the wood floored box, and that's a nice shape. You can see the interior of this box isn't all beat up or dinged up. Usually you see them all dented or holes in them. No, just look at how, yeah, it may be patinaed, it may have a little rust, but overall, look at how solid that is. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some of the service that's been done to this recently, maintenance on it, it does have a new clutch in it, new shocks, new radiator, new gas tank. So it has had some service done to it. Like there's a new fuel filter and filter on it, I think some fuel lines. Some things done when the tank was done also. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. The 55 was introduced in March of 1955 and was the first year of the Chevrolet's new Task Force series. Again, still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. And again, look at around this rear fender. Lots of times you see him rusted up above there. It's amazing how solid this vehicle is considering its age. Come over here to this cab corner. Look at just a few holes down the bottom of that cab corner. A little bit in the front of that fender, but again, overall, just not bad at all. Still even has a little bit of luster in that paint. A lot of patina on it. Definitely a neat combination. All right, now interior, a little different story. Been painted on the inside, so we got this kind of light beige or cream, if you will. And again, look at inside of here, just lack of a bunch of rust like you always see in these. Again, small areas, but overall, wow. Seat redone, black vinyl. Really kept the dash looking stock. Everything else about this on the interior, very stock looking. And again, that 235 inline era correct, 6 on the underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and start it. See how it sounds. Of course, the starter's on the floor down here. Give her a little bit of choke. Oops. There we go. Sure, we're in neutral here. How cool is that? Listen to that run. Nice, smooth idling engine. All stock 55 gauge. Also just classic. Alright. Slip around to the back. You can barely hear this thing run. Wanted to show you one other thing when I was walking around earlier that I noticed on this truck. I'm going to come around to this passenger door a second. Just want to show you how easy and nicely that closes. How many old 55 trucks do you see door shut like that? Come up to the front so you can hear this run. We're going to pop the hood in a second too. Why don't you check out the engine bay. Listen to that. Alright, I'm going to pause this and let's take a look under the hood. Alright, here you go. Like I said, newer radiator. You can see that fuel filter looks new. The gentleman that brought this truck to us drove it here from, oh, I suppose he's 45, 55 miles away, give or take. A little less than an hour, let's put it that way. Drove it here, not a problem. And again, pretty stock looking engine bay, AC Delco battery, 12 volt system. There you go. 1955 Chevrolet 3200, which would be a half-ton long box, so the longer wheelbase, this particular one. Step aside, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pictures. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.